what's the matter with you? You don't act like the other chickens do. You wear a disguise to look like human guys, but you're not a man, you're a chicken boo.
Mom, can we have chocolate? What do you mean you don't have any chocolate?
It's a chicken, I tell you! A giant chicken!
Mom, why did you shoot shadow basketball? Oh wow, you laid an egg. Wait, humans don't lay eggs. Mom, can we go to KFC?
You wear a disguise to look like human guys, but you're not a man, you're a chicken boo.
Oh look, a giant chicken! Yum!